The building materials industry, which involves the production of materials such as cement, tiles, bricks, and others, requires a reliable and efficient air compressor system for its operations. In this industry, screw compressors are widely used because of their ability to produce high-pressure air efficiently. In cement production, a screw compressor is utilized to provide compressed air for the material conveying system. This system transports powdered limestone, clay, and other raw materials to the mixer. Screw compressors play a vital role in the production of concrete blocks by supplying compressed air to mold machines. These machines require consistent pressure for efficient production. In the process of manufacturing tiles, compressed air from screw compressors is utilized to press and shape wet and soft clay. The clay is then baked to produce long-lasting tiles. Screw compressors are also used in the drying process of tiles, as they supply hot air for the ovens. Screw compressors are utilized in brick production to provide compressed air for shaping clay pneumatically and transferring raw materials. Compressed air from screw compressors is necessary for operating air tools, including sanders, cutters, and grinders, which are extensively utilized in the construction material industry. In summary, the utilization of screw compressors in the building material industry is essential for manufacturing superior quality and long-lasting materials. With the high efficiency and reliable performance of screw compressors, industries can achieve increased productivity and improved profitability.